Hi guys, I'm Cash with Cashed Out Cars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install aftermarket exhaust tips on your car. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to get your car safely up on jack stands so you could access the rear of your exhaust. The off-road guys probably won't have to worry about this part. Then you could begin by cutting off your old exhaust tip, leaving a bit of length of pipe on the car. I used a reciprocating saw to make this cut. When picking a new exhaust tip, make sure that you pick one that will slide over the current exhaust setup or butt directly to it, but I chose one that'll slide right over. Once your old tip is off, you can mock up your new one. Make sure that the tip you purchase will fit in the area you want before you buy it, but use this as a double check before you weld it. Next, I made a sleeve out of sheet metal to fill a gap between the tip and my stock exhaust pipe, since mine was slightly smaller and there was a bit of a gap that I just wanted to fill up. The tips I'm installing in this video are the weld-on style, and now it's time to prepare to weld them on. To do this, make sure both surfaces are clean of dirt and oil and wire brush them to expose clean metal to weld to. Once ready, I use some blocks to hold the part in place to prevent it from moving. Now you could tack your new part in place. By doing a small initial weld, you will be able to move it if it wasn't in the correct position, or remove it if it's way off. Mine looked good, so I did a series of additional welds to hold the tip on. Try to get some welds all the way around it for maximum strength, even though this could be tough, especially up top. Once you're happy with your welds, you're done. Here are some shots of my finished installation. Note that if you don't have a welder or a friend with a welder, you could get clamp-on exhaust tips, but that's a little bit different installation process. But basically they just clamp right on and you don't have to do any welding. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to like it if it helped you out. The link to these exhaust tips is in the description if you want these exact same ones. Don't forget to subscribe for the next one, and have a good one. Take care.